Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Super Scholar is hiring for Customer Success Associate. Job location is remote location, that is work from home. Let us get to know about this job role. About Super Scholar. India has over 9 million graduates every year. Only 26% of these fresh graduates get hired. This leads to extreme anxiety, fear, and poor career choices. But there isn't a shortage of jobs. There is a shortage of skills. Our mission is to empower a generation of independent young Indians. We offer job guarantee programs across various domains that help young Indians kickstart their careers. We are backed by top investors and an outstanding founding team. Now about this job role. We are looking for an all-in operations associate for an incredibly rare opportunity at a well-funded, fast-growing, early-stage startup with both a mission and a value creation upside. Public interaction is at the core of what we do at Super Scholar. We believe in having conversations as real people and not support tickets. Each conversation is unique, and the way we handle and respond to the concern of our users has a direct impact on our business and the users we serve. This is an incredibly fast-paced job where you are required to move quickly and think on your feet. We are targeting an $8 billion opportunity of helping 6 million unemployed graduates every year. This would unlock tremendous personal and professional growth in a short time for an A+ early member. Roles and responsibilities are: you will provide assistance to users via mail, WhatsApp, phone, social media, and live chat support channels, providing valuable insights and working with stakeholders such as product and technical teams or customer behavior and customer feedback. Gain a strong understanding of the product and business and work towards improving customer experience. Be a single point of contact for all customer related queries and information, helping in refining and enhancing the process and product for better use and customer experience. Perform verification tasks for campaigns running on the platform and investigate the cause in order to certify trust. Work towards ultimate student happiness by identifying and problem solving issues and processes. Skills required for this job role are: excellent written and verbal communication skills in English and Hindi, ability to interact with different stakeholders to get the job done, someone who can pay close attention to detail. You must have an eye for minute details and precision, strong phone contact handling skills, and active listening ability to multitask, prioritize, and manage time effectively. Spreadsheet proficiency, expert on dashboards and complex formulas using index, match, lookup, conditionals combined, and or if. We are looking for someone that's all in with us and displays massive ownership towards the company. If you are willing to learn and grow with us, please apply. Let us get to know about this company more. This is Super Scholar's website. Get hired by India's top companies in just 7 days. Get your employability report today. And then there are success stories about the program and choose your domain, eligibility criteria, and many more things are here. You can check the website also. You find the link in the description. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After that, this form will open where you have to fill your all the details, that is first name, last name, email address, mobile number, then your resume, your background, and after that, after filling all the details, you have to click on this submit application button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.